the sign down. Yeah. That tree out right there. These trees out. This has a... looks like their pumps are out. It looked like it dragged right along this road. Walmart sign's fine. Wendy's is fine. There's a bunch of ceiling, there are roof tiles here, so I don't know if this was from this building that's up here. Took some of that fence. Some of the branches. And then what Reed Timber got was this second building right here. So he took that sign out. Right there is where he caught the roof coming off. Urgent care seems fine.